How many children do you have? 3 children. Senior man, you deserve 30 liters. Look at your meter for me. I can't cheat you. Happy Father's Day! Oh, I'm not going to do like this. That's not full. Hey! Happy Father's Day! How much? You want buy back yourself? No. Papa, how many people you don't born?
I got like 7.
7 children. Papa is senior man. Free medical checkup for here. You didn't send my power, but you don't take your power. Happy Father's Day! Okay. How many children you don't born?
I born 2.
You know what they call double for your trouble?
No, I know one double for your trouble.
Shame fun. Oh my God.
This thing that's happening to your car now, for the 50K low. Happy Father's Day to you, sir.
Appreciation.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. He was praying for me. And you have done this one for me.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Enjoy yourself.
If a man is at home all the time and he's the breadwinner, that's a bad sign.
What's your name?
My name is Anna. You're Christian. I'm from Imo State.
Are you married?
This is my wife. Yes.
How long have you been married for?
36 years.
He's a father, a friend, a helper.
How many children do you have?
9.
And this is what you do for what?
Yes.
How long have you been using this bike for?
This is about 8 years now.
How you take the make money with this bike?
I carry people early morning. So they take and carry load. When I can carry like 50 to 100, I can make up to 8,000 to 10,000 naira.
He was running a chemist shop where we got married. He could not maintain the shop again. So he decided to pick up the bike so that we can take care of the children. He's a caring man, a loving father. That's why I nicknamed him Caring. He's a good man.
Daddy, I want you to wait for me. I want to buy Okada. How much be this Okada?
1.245.
How much last? How much last? For Father's Day, now. He's going. You don't me go there now.
White Ferrari.
Good morning, Dr. Carter.
They're not your breakfast. I just feel that they come now. I just want. Yeah. I like it. It's what? Alright. So like on a good day when you come off, like how much do you make?
Have you seen like 30,000?
Make I give you small salary, 100K with that stuff. My brother.
This love is ours, and I was made to laugh. I was made to sing, given the gift of life. You gave me everything. My feet were made to dance, my spirit's made to soar. My life is not by chance. You give me more and more, and I was made to laugh. I was made to sing, and oh, that's so my joy. I left it at the cross.
Mama, what's your name?
Eunice.
This is Eunice. Where are you taking this to right now?
I want to go and sell it at Asherkine Stadium.
How long have you been packing this for?
Past 2 years.
How many hours did it take you to pack this one?
It take me 1 hour.
How much will you get paid at Asherkine Stadium?
2.5 or 2.
Is there anything I can do right now that's going to make you very happy?
Yes, you can give me money now. I don't have any other work. I want to even open a shop and be selling things.
How much do you think it's going to cost for you to open a shop and start selling things?
500,000.
500,000 naira?
Yes.
What will you start with that business?
Selling Coca-Cola, bottled water.
Oh, all those things. All right, I bet. Mama.
Long before the dawn, into the break of day, your wisdom finds me.
What's your name?
Martha.
Martha, what do you do for work? What are you doing right now?
I'm pushing way by road.
What are you pushing?
Granite oil. I'm taking it to my shop.
What's your shop?
It's a bit far.
Like how many minutes?
30 to 40 minutes.
You are pushing this thing for 30 minutes.
Yes.
What exactly do you sell?
I sell Maggi, pepper, tomatoes, and others.
Martha, what can I do for you right now that's going to make this month better for you? Tell me.
Money. You can give me money. I have a special child. I need to do operation. 3.3 million at Igbobi Hospital.
All right, Mama. I got something for you. That's for you first. Open it. It's your gift.
For me, can't nothing beat my mother's love. Can't nothing shake what she's made of. She's made like heavens up above.
That's 1 million naira for you. What operation are you trying to do?
She has a big hand.
Where's your child?
It's not too far from here. At least 1 hour. I've been toying, working, hustling, if I can raise anything. But yet, since 14 years now, I gave birth to her. She have microdative, been taking her to one hospital to another. They told me that they will keep on removing the fat, but after the first and the second operation, when she was 2 to 3 years, we couldn't afford the bill. And as she's growing, the growth is growing with her.
What's your name?
Idara.
What's that mean?
Joy.
Idara, how old are you right now?
14.
How has life been for you in general?
Well, sometimes I'm happy, sometimes I'm sad. Sometimes I just feel like I'm not needed.
Do you go to school today?
Yes.
What class are you in right now?
SS1.
Oh, what? You have good friends?
Yes.
And there's a little smile on your face when you're talking about your friends. You like your friends?
Yes.
How have you been able to maintain it?
Since I'm able to talk to everyone and interact with everyone I see, I get the confidence that I can do better in the world.
I love you so much. I'm going to add an extra 500,000 naira. What's your favorite food?
I love rice.
How many children do you have?
I have 4.
How about your husband?
He's just a driver.
Very good.
Whose food is that? Mrs. Martha, we've heard from the surgeon. I want life to be better for you. What do you want to do?
Let's make go for amputation. Amputation will give her life. So I don't think there's any problem with that. Artificial.
A prosthetic arm.
Yes.
You just want to be done with it.
Yes.
How have you dealt with the past 14 years?
It's so agony. That day I met you was the day I slept and I wake up like a baby. If we went that, at least I have a hope from that day of my life. I think about her.
So Miss Mata, I believe that you deserve a better life. What exactly would you like to do to make your life better?
Right now, essential with somebody that doesn't even give me time to even take care of the children. The agreement is that we will not bring our children to the shop because we are too there. I want to have my own shop where I can take care of my children the way I want. When they close, they will come back to me. It has never been easy. At times, we can't even eat 3 square minutes.
Where does your husband stand in all of this?
I remember the last time they told him that amputation would be the solution. He told me that and I should let the girl do it so that the girl can be free.